update my people. Not be small thing, no, make una gather here, make una follow me. Listen to this guy. What did this guy have to say concerning Mathias Ezeaku Ejiofor? My people, not be small thing, no. As I come across this one, I was shocked to lies. Not be small thing. He said Mathias Ezeaku. Might talk small, the one when I understand. Say Mathias Ezeaku, they come and they talk. Say people no one give Mathias Ezeaku ear. He say make people listen to Mathias Ezeaku for waiting they talk. Say Mathias Ezeaku say they talk truth. Everything when Mathias Ezeaku they preach, say na truth. My people may not come be say I too talk. I go leave now, Mona for watch this video. And guys, don't forget to share this video. Thumbs up. Not be smart to make una regade.
I want to address something very much important. And I must tell you, today is my first day of starting this preaching. And it's going to be tough. The little one I'm going to share now is just the beginning. And I promise you, whatever I came out and bring out myself to do, I always bring out my dignity and everything about me into whatever I wanted to do. What am I trying to say? There was this big brother, Mathias Ejiofor. Is a popular known as a founder of Igbo Love Themselves. My people, if you haven't listened to this guy, or you have been ignoring his messages, please stop and from today begin to listen to him. As a black man you are, even if you don't understand the message he preached, look for an Igbo man to tell you. Look for an Igbo man to interpret for you. It's very much important. Mathias is a God sent. It's another man's Nnamdi Kanu. Geni ntị. N'ime video nwere video m ga-eshare. Anyị ekirie ebe emere emume ji ọfụrụ na ana anyị. Agago mee research wee chọpụta na ihe niile ọ na-ekwu pure truth. Kedu ka ihe si na-akọwara m kịta? Mụ nwa na ebe a emere m baptism 2011. How old am I then? Eburu m ihe niile gbasara Jizọs a n'isi. Onweghị, don't worry, na preaching na aga m na-eyigasị efe ndị chọọchị dị iche iche wee na-eme preaching na chọọchị ngachago. Arụgo m catechist na Catholic Church. Ọ bụ Pentecostal ka m aka gaghọ. Chọọchị agara aga ka nkụ. Mana gache ya yi azụ problem aka m nkụ n'isi. Mana oge m sizi ka ihe na-emezi, I have to relax and find out what is going on. These people will be there confusing us and telling us all sort of lies. You do this, you prosper. You do that, you prosper. After you be seen there riding a baby girl. Okay, I'm listening to Oyedepo last Sunday now. He was telling us what I understand in his preaching. He said, serving God, you don't have to be focusing on prosperity. That is one point, and I understand there. I began to ask myself, this man, is he okay? How can he say that? You serve the Lord Almighty. Do not put your eyes, as in you focus on going to heaven. Why he has a lot of aircraft. Bishop Oyedepo is the most richest man in terms of all those pastoral things. He is the number one richest. And he's not telling us to focus on going to heaven. All those things he acquired. You want to tell me that Bishop is not interested in this same heaven we are going to? My people, where is this thing leading us to? Where are all this rubbish leading us to? And Mathias has come out now to preach against it and open our eyes. We are blind. Africans, we are blind in this Christianity. Christianity has destroyed us. Ask yourself, why Muslim people prosper more than us? Why the Muslims prosper more than? Because they serve only one God. They don't know about all this, your Jesus. They focus on only that God. So, you telling me that without your Jesus, I can't go to heaven? You forget the 10 commandments. Why are we deceiving ourselves? Ask yourself this question before I conclude, because I said this thing is going to be highest 10-minute video. Then I stop here. Then I prepared myself for the full video. Ask yourself this question: the Jesus Christ you are measuring today, why is that name? It's only in the New Testament you can only find Jesus. I've read Bible, Genesis to Revelation, because if I want to do something, I will be very specific, and I will make a research, and so that if you ask me a question, I will answer it straight to you. Isaiah prophesied about Messiah, that the Son of Man is going to be born, and his name will be called Messiah, Emmanuel. Now the question is, and not only Isaiah, other prophets in the Bible prophesied about the coming of Messiah. Now going to New Testament, we saw Jesus. But Isaiah, all the prophets never spoke about Jesus. They were telling us about Messiah, Emmanuel, Yeshua, because there are some Bible you cannot find all those rubbish names called Jesus. So now they came out in the New Testament to tell us that he's no longer a Messiah. He's now Jesus. All over the New Testament are Jesus. Where is that Messiah that we've been prophesying in Old Testament? From Genesis to Malachi, you can't find Jesus there. Tell me if you ever find it. Then I will return back to Christianity. This is one challenge I'm going to put. Bro Mathias put his own challenge. Nobody has ever come to defend it. Now I'm challenging you people. If you find Jesus Christ from Old Testament, from Genesis to Malachi, I myself, I will surrender and ask for forgiveness and go back to that Christianity again. Why are we fooling ourselves? My people, why are we fooling ourselves? Messiah died over 2,000 years ago. Now the name Jesus Christ came into existence because the most problem we are having is Jesus. That's the problem we are facing here. So we need to take that name out of Africa. Now, Messiah came into this earth to die for us, according to that's your Bible. Messiah came to die over 2,000 years ago. Now, the name Jesus Christ came into existence 400 years ago, which is the The particular time, what is the name? The time when English word came into existence. That was when they brought your Jesus Christ. So think. The name called Jesus Christ is Illuminati God, not the Son of God. And what I'm trying to tell you people today, we want to worship the God raw. When we go there, we'll see his son, we respect him as our elder brother. In fact, there are a place in your Bible, in that New Testament in Hebrew, he said your Jesus Christ is your senior brother. So understand it that way. He's just a senior brother. If I am to worship any man today except God, I have to worship Mathias Ezeaku Kanu. Messiah came out of a man called Judea, his tribe. Now Mathias Ezeaku Kanu came out of a man called Gad. Judea and Gad were the same brother from Jacob. No, and now Igbo people came into existence through Gad. Now the Israelites, the Judea people came into existence through Judea. The man called Judea. So it's just Messiah is just our senior cousin. That is how I take it. Take it or you leave it. So we want to worship God raw. So if that will be offense when we get there, let it be. So people stop deceiving us, I beg. Stop it. Open your eyes and see what is going on. If I want to be a pastor today, you could have been hearing my name now. Because I followed all those top pastors. I served them. I know what is going on there. If I want to expose them, none of them will challenge me. None of them is going to escape because I have all their secrets. I know all their evil deeds. I know all their plans. I know how they manage to do all those fake miracles you are seeing over there. I'm not one of all those people that will come out and expose them and they go against them, because what I will tell them is what I saw. All those reverend fathers, I have served them, many of them. I know all their secret plans. I know what they do there. And let me tell you something today. If you have a sister or daughter and they're telling you that you want to go and become a reverend sister and you are lying, you are a fool. You are the most foolish person on earth. Pastor, I disown that person. Just like I would disown anybody that will go to serve Nigeria. I will disown that child. Omenala bụ Eziokwu. Take it or you leave it. Omenala is the only way we are going to survive in this situation. Like I said before, this is just the beginning. I am coming in full time in this. This is just the beginning. We just started, and I will bring everything about. I'll bring out everything about me. N'ụzọ omenala. Ka njiri ọjị na ụmụ ihe ndị ọzọ eji mara Igbo fee Chukwu anyị ofufe n'anya ka ndị Igbo ji fee. Mere ihe ji dị mma tata, dị mma oge ahụ na ana Igbo. Ewetazie ekwensu abụ Jizọs. Ihe niile mebie na anyị. Ogene bụ nke a. Ụmụ Igbo kịta nọ ebe niile wee na-ata afụfụ, bata n'obodo abụ Ghana. Ụmụ Igbo jiru na sel. Ebe ọbụla ijere n'obodo a na-ata afụfụ ụmụ Igbo. Ekwuo Nigeria na ụmụ Igbo ka a na-atụ aka. Ọ bụrụ ihe spọd a tiri anyị n'ime. Mana oge erugo mgbe ụmụ Igbo ga-emepe anya fa. Maka obere ga eburu anyị agawa otu ahụ esi aga evangelist ebe a. Gwawa ndị mmadụ nke bụ eziokwu.